Hello, so I'm ready to start showing how to use this instruction. First of all, we should check all requirements that we have. Okay, I have already CentOS minimal, I have already this domain as registered to my external IP. I have not firewall before server, and I see my IP at OS interface. Okay. I can do this with command IP AD. Here my external IP, so it's OK. Okay, next we should update it. It will take some time, so yeah, it will take some time. Okay, my server is already rebooted, so I can continue. Next step is allow firewall ports at my server. That's all. Okay, next we will get Camellio. First of all, we will install widget program. Next, we will take Camellio from repository for Camellio. Okay, widget is done. Repository downloaded. Copy repository to repositories. That's okay. Next, we will install Apple releases. It's need for additional software on CentOS. Oh, I got stuck at my screen. No, okay. Yes. Then update packets. Oh, forget to press yes when it asks me. Okay, now it's OK. Now we will install all Camellio modules. Yes. So when install done, I will return. Okay, Camellio is installed here. So now we should edit Camellio services file to make them changes. First of all, we need the MariaDB services to run before Camellio start and change username. Save file, quit. Okay, changes you can see here in this rectangle. Okay, now we will update systemctl and enable Camellio for starting when system boot. Okay, next thing we need is install MySQL server. Okay, we got it. Now we will start MySQL server. Okay, MySQL started, so we can continue. Enable MySQL for running when system boot. That's good. And set MySQL root password by running this command. Current password is empty. Yes, we want to set it. Okay, I will set my password. All other questions, better say yes. Okay. Next step is creating database Chameleon. Also, we will set our SIP domain that we have. I have webrtc2sip proxy.ru. Okay. Next, we just uncomment some user information used by Chameleon. Here is the MySQL root password that we set before. I set this password. Write changes, quit. That's okay. And now we run creating database. So all questions is yes. Good. Going next step. Next step is create certificate. First of all, we have to install certbot program. It will help us to receive Let's Encrypt certificates. Everything fine. Now we can run it using standalone server, email address better if you set real email, because every 3 months certificate will be expired. Agree. Not agree. And our domain name webrtc2sip.ru. Okay, it should be okay. Yeah, no errors. That means our certificates in here. Okay, now we create symlinks from Let's Encrypt directory to Chameleon directory. After you update the certificate in next period, you should check that this symlinks works well to point your new certificate. So now we should run Chameleon for test. It's okay. Now we see that Chameleon running. Also we can use this command. Active running Chameleon. scenario is okay. So that's all, and next we can start installing RTP engine. Okay, this was done before, so it's not need these two. We can use next step. Okay, this step is no need actually, because it will same as provisional kernel devel packages. Okay, next step is that. Good. Next step. Good. Next we should install some MySQL files. Okay. Next packet needed for RPN is span DSP. Everything okay too. Next packet. Okay. Okay. And now okay. Now we will receive RTP engine last sources. We will use it in that directory. Make git clone to receive RTP engine sources. Okay, it's received. Now we will compiling RTP engine. Make compilation should not have any errors. You can see some warnings, but you should not see any errors. Everything okay. Next we will copy file to sbin directory. And next step we need other part of RTP engine. That's all going okay. Compiling kernel modeling. Okay, and here next step we should use our kernel number, this next step. This is only information, not command. So we use this command. You can see that version is different that I have on real server. So I copy command and change version to right. Okay. This command will connect model to kernel. Okay. This command will set kernel model to start when system boot. Wrong syntax. Yeah, that's right. Save file, quit. Okay, next command for kernel. This command will just show some information. We can go to next steps. So that's all. Okay, now we will install configurations. So first of all, we will get Camellia configurations template. We will use root directory. Okay. Now we should edit Camellia config in root directory. We should replace interface IP word to real external IP and domain with our real domain. We enter in directory that created command before and edit file. I already have my own domain here, so I need to change only IP interface to my real IP. ports, to change ports where Camellia working, you should change it here. For example, was 80, we can set 81 or anything else. After that, webrtc will waiting connections from ports you set here. And one small place with our IP is here. Okay, save changes and quit. So we made these changes, and now we should copy our Camellia file to etc directory. Yes, I will write. And this file we need to overwrite to. Now we can start Camellia, but we already done this, so I think okay, it started. Actually, we can use this command to restart. Okay. If you doubt about if Camellia started well, we can use journalctl exe to see if Camellia started. Camellia started, but RTP engine not active because it wasn't started. We will start it in next steps. Okay, go to configure RTP engine. We will go to directory. Okay, we should make configuration directory for RTP engine. We should copy sample files with configuration. I think we should enter here. Yeah. And now it's okay. I will already this command. Configuration copied. Now we should copy some files, some files to system configuration. We enter here, copy this file, copy RTP engine services to here, and now we should edit these files. Okay, RTP engine. This helps you to check how to edit file. Actually, we should change user and exec command and comments to these lines in file. So config file is okay, and here we edit all. Yeah, is it correct? Yeah, this is correct. Okay, write changes, quit. Next file we should edit. We should set here our real external IP. And some log information. If you want to see debug from RTP engine, you can set log level to from 6 to 7, for example. And these changes I forget to set if it not set it. Just uncommented, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Save, quit. So now we can enable RTP engine for starting from system boot. This command should run before. And then enable. Let me check. Okay, I check it, and we don't need to use command enable RTP engine, so I remove it from this. So now we can start RTP engine. It started well. Starting, no errors related to RTP engine. So now we can restart Camaleo. Check logs, and Camaleo will use RTP engine. So now is everything done. And now we can check how it all works. Okay, so I will use SIP-ML5 for testing. I have SIP server, and I have a webrtc proxy. This is our domain, port 443, or we can use 80, doesn't matter. Here we should set empty, because SIP-ML will take a lot of time before make a call if we set not empty. Okay, let's check. Oh, terribly sorry. We have to check what is wrong. Yes, wrong is means in this case that Camaleo don't know how to which destination we should send calls. So we will use dispatcher module for set routes. No gateways in dispatchers. Also, let's install GDB program. Okay, now we added our server. Default group in here configuration is 3. After that, we set our SIP server IP with all defaults. Now we should reload dispatcher module. Okay, to see which servers is active, we can use command dispatcher down. It will show us that destination is that flags AP, it means active, and probing. Probing means test if destination is in network. Okay, now we add it, and we don't need to restart anything, just try again. So now we connected, and then we can make a call. Yeah, we can see the call happens, and something I can tell, and we can hear. Okay, that is finished. That's all. And also we can test if all services will up after server reboot. I already rebooted my server. I did not make any changes. I can check if Camellia working. It's working. I can check if RTP engine is running. So it should be enough to make a call. Let's test with SIP email. Yeah, it's connected, and it will call. Yeah, okay. That's all.